Welcome to this video on understanding immigration enforcement, where we'll explore the procedures and potential impacts concerning how authorities identify individuals who may not possess legal documentation. Join us as we navigate through the methods, roles, concerns, and misconceptions surrounding this significant topic. We will start by discussing the methods of identification used in immigration enforcement, followed by exploring the role of cooperation between various agencies. Next, we'll examine the potential impacts and concerns associated with these practices, and address common misconceptions and clarifications. There is no single, universally applied method for immigration checks. Random street stops are not common practice, but enforcement actions often arise from situations where cooperation between immigration and customs enforcement and local law enforcement is involved. Another scenario includes ICE targeting specific locations or groups based on intelligence for efficiency. Cooperation between ICE and local police forces is key to immigration enforcement. When local law enforcement apprehends someone, their immigration status may be checked, leading to potential ICE involvement. This cooperation's prevalence varies across jurisdictions, leading to disparities in enforcement levels and potentially concentrating enforcement in more cooperative areas. Now let's see what you've learned so far. What often triggers immigration enforcement actions? Is it random street stops, intelligence-based targeting, local law enforcement cooperation, or passport checks? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is local law enforcement cooperation. Immigration enforcement actions are primarily triggered by cooperation with local law enforcement, not random stops. The fear that immigration enforcement may lead to racial profiling is significant. There is also worry about its impact on immigrant cooperation with law enforcement. These concerns point to a broader issue, as rigorous enforcement actions can impact familial and community structures. Transparency and clear guidelines are essential to mitigate these concerns. Let's address some common misconceptions. It's not true that everyone needs to carry their passport at all times. This depends on immigration status and location. However, having proper documentation is important to avoid complications during interactions with law enforcement. Consulting legal counsel is recommended to understand one's rights and responsibilities. In conclusion, immigration enforcement is complex with far-reaching impacts. Open discussions about methods, potential consequences, and legal protections are necessary to ensure responsible practices. Transparency and legal safeguards are essential in building trust with the community. Thank you for watching this exploration of immigration enforcement. We hope you found it informative. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content, and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments.